Let's start off with athletics. There was dancing galore as Hydel High celebrated their first ever ISA Girls Championships title at their school campus in Ferry, St. Catherine on Monday. With a historic first ever triumph over the dynasty, which was Edwin Allen, who had won 8 straight titles, one would expect even those with 2 left feet to find their dancing shoes. Captain Onika Makanoff is also the head girl of Hydel, and winning the title in her final year in school is a storybook ending.
Well, it was a surreal feeling. It's our first time winning champs. It's been a long time coming, and it's finally good to know that we came out victorious. I'm confident that its legacy will live on. Others have gone before me and others will come, but this legacy will never die.
Alana Reid was the most outstanding athlete at Girls Champs with a jaw-dropping national junior record and world-leading 10.92 seconds to win the 100 meters on day 2.
Well, to be honest, I'm really proud of everyone, not to mention myself and my teammates. We've really worked hard for it, and it's something that we've dwelled on. From Central Champs coming right up, we had the mindset to go there and do our utmost best. We did just that, and we came out victorious, and I know that everyone here today is happy.
Reid is also an outgoing athlete, having signed up to attend the University of Oregon in the United States come this fall. But she believes she's leaving the program in good hands.
I know the efforts that are here, and I know that leaving behind, I'm going to miss everyone here, to be honest. But I know that the kids coming up, they are really exceptional, and I know that they give up their utmost best. They're very talented here, so I know that the trophy will be back here to Ferry next year. And I just want to tell everyone out here to continue believing, continue praying, and anything that you believe you can achieve.
Corey Bennett has been leading the program since inception and their first champs birth 13 years ago.
I didn't even want to be a part of the celebration. My enjoyment was just watching them celebrate. And I know we've been tough on them over the years, and they have just delivered. I mean, we've asked them to adjust to this morning training this year. It has been tough for them to wake up and to go to school and perform, and you know, I'm really so happy for them, and I'm really happy for my mother, Hyacinth Bennett, who has been a stalwart and has been so important to the program. She has been the person behind the program.
Ryan Foster is the school's chairman.
So this champs is I call it the stepping stone and the kickstart for things to come for this school. We have Manning Cup coming up next, and I think we will do very and extremely well in that field of play.
Principal Dr. Small, who was at the helm of Woolmer's boys when they broke a 54-year drought to win the boys title in 2010, has now overseen the historic climb to the summit for the girls from Hydel.
Meanwhile,